Welcome to the most effective and evergreen Google My Business 4.0 HD video training course. We are very pleased to have you here, and we know this is going to be very helpful for you. If you are ready to learn and reach #1 of Google rankings, then you are at the right place. This video course is designed to give you soup to nuts guidance on how to begin with GMB Profile and get the best results. We'll teach you everything that will help you to master the essentials of GMB and make you a pro at it. Google My Business can be the golden opportunity that can transform your marketing efforts into footfall in the business. 49% of businesses listed on Google My Business receive 1,000 plus views and 59 actions monthly. According to Search Engine Watch, a top map listing on Google receives 33% of the traffic, and the organic listings receive 40% of the clicks, taking home the gold. That said, how do you rank your business higher on Google in all aspects to gain more traffic? Google My Business can be one of the most valuable tools for any local business, one that can help you gain customers or clients, and most importantly, revenue. So let's get started with Google My Business profiles. Video number 1. Google My Business 4.0 HD video training. Video number 2. What is Google My Business? Video number 3. Google My Business features critical for every local business. Video number 4. How to set up your Google My Business. Video number 5. Managing Google My Business. Video number 6. How can agencies set up Google My Business? Video number 7. How to improve your Google My Business ranking. Video number 8. How to add keywords to Google My Business profile. Video number 9. All about GMB insights and analytics. Video number 10. How to create Google posts that will win you more customers. Video number 11. How to use Google My Business to generate leads. Video number 12. A complete guide to Google reviews. Video number 13. Do more with Google My Business. Video number 14. Everything you need to know about the Google Knowledge Panel. Video number 15. Big mistakes to avoid with GMB listings. We've covered everything you need to know about GMB profiles and ranking higher on Google. By the end of the tutorial, you should have a foundational understanding of what Google My Business is and how to use it to gain more visibility in local search for your or your client's business. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.